This is Ham. This is Ster. The Adventures of Ham and Ster.
Right turn.
Boo!
Wah!
I gotcha.
Stop scaring me! I was so close to having a new record.
I can beat that easy.
Can you? Look at this. I built this car from scratch. There's no way you can go faster. Look at this suspension. Look at these wheels. Look how they turn. And look at the engine and the wires. There's no way you can go faster than this car.
Unless I build an even better car.
There's no way you can... Ooh, ouch.
All good, all good. A little bit dizzy, but you know, all good. I'm all good. Huh. So I'll need this. Yep. Take that one. There are wheels. This spoiler is nice. Here they are. Put these together, screw the wheels. Oh. Ta-da! Why isn't it moving? Whoops, gotta put them in now. Turning. Whoa, right turn. Left turn. Nitro!
Destroying the city. I think it's a job, Bob. supercar. Dun, dun, dun. How could we stop him? Oh, I know. Wow, a slingshot. I'll get you. I got you, dinosaur. We did it! We stopped the dinosaur! Let's go on our next adventure!
Which one do you think looks better? The pink one or the one I have on?
The one that hides your face more.
Jerk.
Hey, you asked for it.
Guys, turn on the news.
Let's go.
I will research dinosaur behavior to find a cause for this action. When I find the solution, I'm going to message you immediately.
Are you ready? Oh. Do you need anything? Should I get you back home? Is everything all right?
Look at its leg. Do you see that? I think it's a splinter maybe. That's why he's so mad.
I think so. Stay here, John. I'll take care of it.
Did we get him?
We got him. Let's get you back home.
It's a beautiful day in the city. Luna is watering her plants, traffic is moving, and birds are chirping. What's this? Oh no, those cars are robbing the bank.
This is so easy. We have to get out of here. Go, go, go!
The robbers are getting away. Who shall stop them? Supercar! Go, Supercar! You can stop them!
You're not getting away, bad guys.
Ow!
I got one, but the other one is getting away. Oh no!
I need to get over this bridge, and I'm free with all this gold.
You're welcome.
Today we are in our beloved city of Townsville, where nothing ever goes wrong because of our dream team.
The glass is half full. Look. See, half is full, the other is not.
Are you blind? It's clearly half empty. See, the top part is empty and the bottom part is full.
Well, technically, the glass is fully filled. One part is air molecules, and the other is water molecules.
Oh, guys, cam is on. Remember, team, like we practiced? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, we are the Dream Team.
Team.
Yay!
Haley, you said it too slow.
You counted too fast. I was not ready.
Ahem.
Right. Sorry.